Stuck finding the popcorn doodle game? Let me show you exactly how to play it in under 30 seconds. Just follow these simple steps. Open Chrome, search for the game, click the right link, and wait for it to load. That is literally all there is to it. So let us start with the first step. Go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. Pretty straightforward, right? Just find that little Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and give it a click. If you have a different browser open, that is totally fine. Just switch over to Chrome for this, because that is where this game lives. Now, on the search bar at the very center of the page, type in Popcorn Doodle Game. And here is the really important part. Do not hit Enter just yet. Let the search suggestions pop up. You'll see a few results, but you are looking for one that says Play Doodle Popcorn Now by Google. That is your target. It should be pretty easy to spot because it'll have a little popcorn kernel icon next to it. All right, next step. Click on that exact result, the one that says Play Doodle Popcorn Now by Google. If you click the wrong one, like a Wikipedia link or something, you will end up reading about popcorn history instead of playing the game. So make sure it is the right one. I have tested these instructions myself, and that is definitely the correct link to click. After clicking, just wait a moment for the game to load. This might take a moment to process, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. But do not worry, you will see a little loading spinner or a popcorn kernel bouncing around. It is just getting ready. Once it finishes loading, you can now play it. The game interface will appear right there in your browser. Once loaded, you can start playing. The game is super simple. You are a piece of popcorn in a microwave, and you need to pop and dodge the heat. Your goal is to survive as long as possible and get a high score. So now that the game is up and running, let us quickly cover the controls so you do not waste your first try. To move your popcorn character, you use your arrow keys or the WASD keys. Use the left and right arrows to dodge the pulses of heat coming from the bottom. And here is a tip that will save you some frustration. You will also need to jump sometimes. Press the up arrow or the W key to hop over obstacles. The game can get pretty fast pretty quickly, so be ready to move. Finally, some tips to improve your score. The key to a high score is staying in the center of the screen as much as possible. If you hang out on the edges, you will get caught by the heat waves faster. Also, watch the timing carefully. The heat pulses come in a rhythm. Once you learn that rhythm, you can plan your jumps and dodges. And do not spam the jump button. Jump only when you need to. Otherwise, you will get stuck in the air at the wrong time. So, there you have it. You went from not knowing how to access the Popcorn Doodle game to playing it instantly in Chrome. Go ahead and give it a try. See how long you can last. Happy popping!